Question: what part of the body do men most neglect? If there's one part of a man's body that gets neglected far too often, it's our hands. We're constantly using them, washing them, leaning on them, using them at work, either as a keyboard warrior or an actual warrior, and everything in between. And of course, exposing them to the harshest of weather conditions. But how often do you stop to make sure they're being looked after? The good news is that there are plenty of products on the market that can help care for dry, chapped, blistered, or overworked hands, each with its own special properties. Some hand creams for men can help exfoliate dead skin cells, some reduce the presence of wrinkles, and some protect you from sun damage, while others can help speed up the rebuilding of damaged tissue. In this video, I'll cover some of the best hand creams for every type of hand care situation. Whether you're working with dry skin, chapped skin, sensitive skin, or bleeding knuckles, I got you covered. Here's the best hand cream for people that work a lot with their hands. The Burt's Bee Shea Butter Hand Repair Cream uses a special formula that contains Lady's Mantle, an ingredient with a long history of use for its ability to repair damaged tissue. This makes it a great hand cream for men with working hands, which can often suffer chapping and damage. This is the best luxury cream for younger-looking hands. The Retinol Anti-Aging Hand Cream may look like a small package, but it's easily the best luxury hand cream for men, and is highly concentrated so that you only need to use the smallest amount with each application. The cream uses a whole host of powerful natural ingredients, including retinol, vitamin A and E, green tea extract, and glycerin. This is the best non-greasy men's hand cream. The Brickle Men's Maximum Strength Hand Cream is a great option when it comes to non-greasy hand cream for men. It also offers the added benefit of a gently exfoliating white willow bark component, which can profoundly alleviate dry skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. If you suffer quite badly with skin conditions like this, definitely take a moment to check out this Maximum Strength Hand Cream. Extracts from the rooibos plant, a tea-like herb that can help fight free radicals in the skin and combat the effects of aging. The cream uses white willow bark, which is an excellent exfoliant that is also gentle on the skin. This is the best hand lotion for frequently washed hands. Due to its highly concentrated formula, I'd recommend the Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Hand Cream because you only need to use a tiny dab of it with each application. This means you can reapply more often to make up for lost moisture without suffering the annoyance of excess residue after use. This is the best smelling men's hand lotion. If scent is important to you, look into the Ors and Alps Dry Hand Repair Cream. The formula in this cream is gently scented with a series of complementary masculine smells like ocean splash, cedarwood, and lime. Here are some more great hand cream options for you to consider. The Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. This industrial tier hand salve is designed for hands that handle a heavy workload and is built to repair dryness and chapping with relative ease. Being a salve, this product focuses on more than just a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve actually helps the skin absorb moisture from the air around it, using a gentle combination of eucalyptus, avocado oil, sesame, olive oil, and other ingredients to help retain hydration. The Jack Black Industrial Strength Hand Healer. As well as being enriched with essential vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin E, which both help to promote healthy skin and immunity at the body's first line of defense, this industrial strength hand healer also takes advantage of the powerful properties of macadamia oil and eucalyptus. Macadamia oil is infamous for its excellent absorption properties, meaning it will create a stable, non-greasy layer on the skin to lock in moisture throughout the day. Eucalyptus is naturally anti-inflammatory, which makes it a great treatment for dry skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. The Duke Cannon Bloody Knuckles Hand Repair Balm. As the name probably suggests, the Bloody Knuckles Hand Repair Balm is an excellent tool for dry and damaged hands that have been overworked and underappreciated. Despite making the most of moisturizing elements, such as shea and jojoba, this balm does not suffer from the oily or sticky residue you'd get with other hand creams. It's also paraben and fragrance free, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin, and it won't interfere with your natural or bottled scent either. The Aveeno Active Naturals Intense Skin Relief Hand Cream. Using a specialized formulated colloidal oatmeal formula, which is clinically proven to moisturize and relieve damaged skin, Aveeno Active Naturals Intense Skin Relief offers 24-hour moisturization that softens and smooths the skin on your hands without leaving any greasy residue. Once again, this is a good hand cream for men that is also fragrance and steroid free, so it's very kind to sensitive skin if that's an important consideration. The Gold Bond Ultimate Men's Everyday Hydrating Lotion. Gold Bond's solution to dry hands comes with a revolutionary recipe that includes silk amino acids. These special molecules hold properties that aid in moisturization, reduce the effects of aging, and improve your skin strength. This formula is then supplemented with vitamin C, which aids in the production of collagen for strong, supple skin, and aloe, which helps fight inflammation and infection. What's more, it comes in a huge 14.5 ounce bottle, which will last for a long time even with regular use. The Nivea Men Cream. Nivea is a big name in men's skincare, and for good reason. This special formula uses clinically proven chemicals like oleic and myristic acids, which can clean the pores of built-up oil deposits and penetrate the skin to lock in moisture. It's not inherently a hand cream as it's built for multiple purposes, like your face, hands, and body, so it makes a very versatile addition to any man's cosmetic kit, especially due to its lightweight, non-greasy formula. O'Keeffe's Working Hands. Built for hardworking hands, O'Keeffe's Working Hand Cream is highly concentrated, so you only need a tiny bit with each application. Like some of the other hand creams, the Working Hands lotion uses mineral oil, which can be incredibly beneficial for sufferers of psoriasis or eczema. This cream is for people with extremely dry hands. CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream. CeraVe uses a science-backed approach to provide the maximum support to dry or overworked hands. The addition of hyaluronic acid will keep your hands looking youthful thanks to its anti-aging properties. Ceramides, a natural component of the epidermis, which is the outer layer of your skin, are also added to the formula to help create an organic barrier that locks moisture in and environmental damage out. Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. Recommended by expert dermatologists, this hand cream uses its key ingredient, urea, to gently exfoliate the skin on your hands to remove buildups of dead skin cells that can be harmful over time. It's a non-greasy formula that quickly absorbs the skin for immediate protection and is free from fragrances, parabens, and dyes that can be damaging to skin with extended use, especially to those with allergic or sensitive skin conditions. Okay, that's it. If you found this guide to men's hand creams useful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more handy shopping guides like this one. If you want to buy one of these products, I've left links to all of them mentioned in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.